Hello, hello, hello. It is I, Big Elvis, with another review video. As you can see there on the turntable, I don't do very many larger scales, but that was a pretty nice one there. Shelby GT500, 1967. There's some information on the back. And there is that beautiful Shelby rotating around. Pull her up here so you can get a good close look at it. See the hubcap, center caps, and all the nice detail that's in that car. Hope you're enjoying your evening and all your collecting going on. There is the back of the case. So, British. Nice acrylic case it comes in. Here is the information on the bottom, if we can make it out. It is the exact scale collectible. Look here at the information. It's kind of hard for me to see it all. New York, New York. Distribution. But there she is. I was checking to see if the hood opens. The hood does not. You see that interior detailing there. Those hubcap details. Very pretty and well done. Those famous Shelby taillights. It is got the Cobra there on it. I'm not going to try to take this off the base. It's just going to go into my collection. Beautiful car. What do you think of that? It is super nice, super detailed. Get it up here on the 67 Shelby GT500. She is awful pretty. Does have that nice background scene, so it looks like it's in town, and of course the back of the card with all the information. Pretty neat car, pretty neat casting. And while you looked at that, I picked us up a display case. Plastic with the door. Let me show you here. So it holds 8. It does have this door that snaps shut. Very similar to my smoked ones, but this is done in the clear. So you got 2 rows of 4. You can stack these the way they're made. Doesn't have the holes in the backs for you to hang it, but you can see the feet. So these are stackable. Pretty cool. Tell me what you think of that. Big Elvis Diecast review. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care of each other out there.